Hi, Chris McClune here with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment, here to talk to you a little bit about the FDSOA's Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium. This year is the 30th anniversary of the symposium. 30 years, when you think about it, think about all this change in apparatus over the years. Geez, I mean, we were still riding the back steps 30 years ago. I was a freshman in high school 30 years ago. So we're talking about a lot of change over the years. These trucks have become more challenging to maintain, and they've become more challenging to specify in many ways. That's where the Apparatus Symposium comes in. The Apparatus Symposium connects you with the people who are building these trucks and gives you a unique opportunity to network with them through your classroom sessions here, through pre-conference sessions. For example, this year there's going to be a pre-conference session on pump maintenance, and tabletop exhibitions that really give you a chance to meet up with the folks who are building these trucks and making them as safe as possible for you. This year's symposium takes place on January 15th through the 17th in Scottsdale, Arizona. There's still time to register, still time to make your plans to be down there. So join us all at the 30th Annual Apparatus Specification and Maintenance Symposium this January 15th through the 17th. See you there.